Hi, yesterday I saw this on Pinterest and I think I want to make it one for myself, a pixelated text. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. First, choose whatever font you like and then you go to Filter, Pixelate, and Mosaic. And after you got this, merge down the layer first, but we should make an adjustment using threshold first. Okay, now we are going to separate this using color range. Choose the text using color picker and click OK. And that's it, you got a pixelated text, and now you can design whatever you want. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!